It is nighttime. You're in the woods. The enemy is out there somewhere, but you don't know exactly where. So you tie a length of fishing line between two trees, and then you hang a bell off of it. The enemy comes along, touches the line, which rings the bell, and we know where he is.
So we use fishing line and bells to enable us to hear our enemies. Jolly good. Good. Thank you for your time, Mr.
Instead of trees, we have antennae, if I may. Thank you very much. So we have radio antennae. Now they send up pulses, which are like a fishing line. Then if something comes along, and the waves bounce off, and that rings a bell here, and then we can see them.
Thank you.
Yeah.
He's an idiot.
Perhaps. But out of all the ideas we've heard today,
His is the least idiotic.
we have to do something.